Changwa. Let me sing for you something that I sang kera njanibaza impamvu nabiririmbye bikanyobera. Zamira igisasu kubwawe. Ninde uzamira igisasu kubwanjye? Nta numwe. Muri abana babi. Ni ukuri kw'Imana do. Imbere ya Golden Lion.
I keep a real nigga in my fresh white tee. I got a dose of that thing I do my deal key. Some niggas why we fat and I face a emoji. You fat the chimba meet on Bahubuka real quick.
Let's go like this. It's a diploma. And I live on the Chaka. You can see the shy, you go to Chia. From two. God is a
Murura Benz Quizna. Murura Benz Quizna. Jenda na cash. Ndi kumwe na maniga bose barabizi ngabariya bose. Hold up, betray.
Naguhaye umutima wanje ukina magapira. Wereka abajama banje sangana n'umutakuzibe. Gukundwa nanje byambera.
Demarche iteye ishozi gangsta ntajya ava muri jumper. Ingendo y'ubushishozi life yiwe ni nk'urugamba. Umuvuduko w'akaga nk'umuyaga muri kaburimbo. Banda nivuga aho akomoka ntabwo yitwaza kubw'umurimo.
Aha rero reka mbone uyu mwanya sobanure iyi Golden Lion wine. Golden Lion wine ni divayi itarigeze yongerwamo ibiryohera. Bijya bikorwa ku nyungu zo kugira ngo ufatishe isoko wenda ry'abakunda ibiryohera. Ntabwo ibyo byabaye. Nta nubwo yigeze yongerwamo ibikaze kugira ngo dufatishe ba bagabo bakunda ibikaze. Oya. Golden Lion yahawe umwimerere wayo, ikorwa mu muzabibu 100%. Niyo mpamvu nujya kuyinywa itazagusharirira. Niyo mpamvu uzumva unywa dry wine azayishima, ndetse wagaruka kubanywa sweet wine bakayihuriraho kubera yuko yorohereza buri umwe, irabahuza. Impamvu rero nagusobanurira yagumanye uwo mwimerere wo gukorwa mu muzabibu wambaza ngo niyihe, nta yindi, yari impamvu imwe kugira ngo itagira ingaruka mbi iteza umubiri uwayinyoye. Uwayinyoye umubiri we urayakira. Ntishingira ku myaka, ariko imyaka y'ubukure yo murabizi ko tuyitegetswe hano mu Rwanda. Ni uguhera ku myaka 18 niwe wemerewe kuyinywa, ariko ukazamuka ntizagusaba kuba uri hagati y'ingiyi, utarasaza, utaragira ute. Iyo myaka yose twese dukubiyemo twisanga mu kuyinywa nk'ikinyobwa cyiza kandi kitugwa neza. Rero nizimbye reka uyu mwanya mbahe karibu muri Golden Lion Night. Ariko mbere yuko nsubiza mikoro wayimpaye, ndagira ngo ntumire. Nk'uko nabivuze yahereye mu gihugu cya Kenya. Aha rero uyihagarariye mu gihugu cya Kenya akaba yari yaje kwifatanya natwe muri iri joro. Ndagira ngo mutumire aze hano asuhuze. Judy.
Excuse me. Good evening. So my names are Judy Kibiru and I'm from Nairobi, Kenya. Excuse my language, I'm still new to Kenya, Rwanda. And as we say in my country, life is for enjoying. I didn't bring a glass of me here on stage with me, but cheers to good life, cheers to Golden Lion, and let's have and let's enjoy our evening. And I wish everybody here a good evening. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you Jude for coming. Hanyuma siwe gusa ndagira ngo ntambutse n'abafatanyabikorwa hano mu gihugu twafatanyije kwakira Golden Oil Distillers. Twaba dufitanye umufatanyabikorwa umwe guturuka i Rubavu ku Gisenyi yitwa Focus, ni umushoramari wo muri biriya bice.
Murakaze, manze nabashimira kuba mwaje kwitabira kino gikorwa cyacu cyo kwakira zino nzoga zacu. Nabasabaga ko igihe mwaje i Rubavu mwaje ku mazi ntabwo muzajya muzibura, mujye mwita mukohinga zizajya zibageraho nta kibazo.
Mwewe natwe turabashimiye kuba mwatwakiriye hano. Nitwa Fabrice tuve Musanze n'abacururiza muri Dallas. Musanze ni karibu, live twarayishimiye barayikunze. Mu gihe mwageze Musanze ni karibu, zirahari, tuzabakira na yombi. Naje banyita Mani Zabayo ariko ku izina rya business yitwa Kingston. Abantu ndutse Musanze nkabona hano za Golden Line. Murakoze.
Murakoze cyane, mwakisura mu gicaro.
Okay, dushimire cyane Nkotanyi, ariko on behalf of the request from Judy, I got a glass with me. You have a glass as well? Okay, everyone in the building, ladies and gentlemen, cheers on behalf of Golden Lion Evening. Thank you so much. Cheers, cheers, cheers. All the way from Sofia, Bulgaria to Kigali, Rwanda. Thank you for coming home. Golden Lion, thank you for being in Kigali. One more time. Good music from Alpha. Mukanya gatoya cyane turaje no twintroduce aba brand ambassadors umwe ku wundi. Mwakoze cyane. One more time as we welcome the internationally known, our very own, a very famous person here, one of the chosen to be the brand ambassador of Golden Lion. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Uncle Austin. Amashi menshi cyane kuri Uncle Austin. Uncle Austin rero nagira icyo atubwira gitoya kuri iki kinyobwa cyangwa iyi produit ahagarariye. Ugamaze kudadira reka tumuhe ijambo.
What's up people? What's up? Cheers people, what's up? Urabona ubusanzwe ntabwo nzi kuvuga amagambo menshi. Birasishijwe sinyavuga amagambo ahubwo turirimbane sibyo? Sibyo se? Get closer, change Giza. I wake up every morning. Hey yo, we calling your name. Urabona iyo umaze okay piano butugenane. Turirimbane se ladies and gentlemen. Oh, let's go. Yeah, closer, come close, closer, get closer. We need a quiver, inuchira ngongore. Closer, get close, closer, get closer. Change Giza, look at it. I wake up every morning, hey, I'm calling your name. Hey, yo, na kumbuta fuga. Hey, yo, yalabara. Habiba, missing you. Sometimes I miss your touch. Oh, turi kumere kamukore. Oh, turi kumere nyuabibone. Oh, time, amikazi wanje. My love, amikazi wanje. Alojuta, kora ushaka. My love, oresh ushaka. Oh, time, amikazi wanje. My love, amikazi wanje. Alojuta, kora ushaka. My love, oresh ushaka. Closer,
come close, closer, get closer. We need a prayer. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Mamaya Mashis. Changwa. Let me sing for you something that I sang Chera Mjaniba Zimamu Nabiri Bikanyobira. Zamiri Jisasu Kugaw. Nilusa me Jisasu Kugaw. Nanunge. Murabana babi. Nukuri kw'Imana do. Imbere ya Golden Lion. Zame micheri kugawe. Zakubitwa ingumi izo kugawe. Zambiri gisasu kugawe. Jumina. Umba. Zamwaka Golden kugawe. Zamwaka Golden kuganyu. Anyway, cheers to ladies and gentlemen. And by the way, I would like to say thank you to Golden Lion for choosing me to be a part of their brand ambassadors. I love a good wine. And if you see me on the poster of Golden Lion, you know it's a good wine. So be taking it anytime, anywhere. Namujitondo, you can wake up in the morning. Thank you so much for having me.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Uncle Austin. Uncle Austin. Mumwongera mashi. Austin, mwamubonye Austin rero. Aha namaze gutwara umuziki nyarwanda ni hazageza na Golden Lion. So, tumushimire cyane rero. So, next up turaje tuhamagara undi mu brand ambassador, ariko mbere yaho turakomeza kugenda twumva ndavuga iyo micurangire myiza cyane ya Alpha na mugenzi we dukomeza kugenda tunywa akawine. Mu mwanya muto cyane the second brand ambassador of Golden Lion coming up next. Nabugiye abasuhuze. Okay.
I keep a real neck in my fresh white tee. I got a joke that I have romantic key. Some niggas why we fat and I efeza emoji. You fat the chimba meet on Bahobuka real quick. The chibuka watching it in ya B.O.B. Narandika mateka nka D.O.G. Abantu bari benshi n'ubu barahari still. Ariko ubu Covid ndarenze kuri street. Ngaruke kuri HOP ya 2010 tugikora TG. Nari nka Sir Alex Ferguson OT. Na nyuma y'imyaka 10 ndacyari King still.
Mugende mushake album yitwa Chemotherapy. Igende wavure ingingo zose. One more time. So, munize umwanya sasa na Betray adusuhuze. Come on.
Kenya Trap. One more time for hip hop music. One more time for Golden Lion. I'm saying it's go like this. Icho gituma hana rihono gushaka ikabitirire shy igihugu n'ikinya Dream Team bageze ibibindi abana dukirana team gahorana n'abaci
amashimishije cyane kuri Betray. The one and only Mr. Nizo. Amashimishije cyane twakira Nizo atambuke aze hano kugira ngo agire nawe uko atugenza n'icyo atubwira. That is the gentleman in black and white coat with the beautiful sneakers, of course. I don't know the perfume he's wearing, but I'm just assuming it's good. Nizo, ikaze rero. So nka brand ambassador barifuza ko ugira icyo babwira. Umwanya ni wawe.
Yeah. Murura Benz kwizina. Murura Benz kwizina. Jenda na cash. Ndi kumwe na maniga bose barabizi ngabariya bose. Hold up. Betray. What's up, my nigga? You care? murakoze cyane. Mumeze gute se mwese aho muri aho ngaho mwese? Mumeze neza? Mumeze fresh? Mumeze fresh? Mumeze fresh? Genda shimira ndashimira ino kampani yampaye akazi, ndashimira mwese muri hano, ndashimira abantu bose baje gusapotinga kino gikorwa. Nta magambo menshi ushobora kuvuga, mu kanya hari n'undi ushobora kuhagera mu minota mikeya, ariko mu buzima busanzwe sinshobora kuvuga amagambo menshi, ariko ikintu nababwira ngo mwakoze mwese cyane. Ndashimira buri kimwe cyose kiri hano, abateguye, kampani zose zabikoze, murakoze cyane kandi Imana ibahe umugisha. Murakoze cyane.
Chuma.
Say hi to the people here. Come on, Gary. Yes,
Mumeze fresh. Abana bishimiye kuba ndi kumwe namwe uyu mugoroba. It's a place. Imana ibahozeje.
Vamos lá, vamos brincar aqui com a Changi.
Nanja jambera naguhaye umutima wanje ukina magapira wereka abajama banje sangana n'umutakuzibe gukundwa nanje byambera yo jambera
asante sana, warakoze cyane rero.
Demarche iteye ishozi gangster ntajya ava muri jumper, ingendo y'ubushishozi life yiwe ni nk'urugamba, umuvuduko w'akaga nk'umuyaga muri kaburimbo, banda nivuga aho akomoka ntabwo yitwaza kubw'umurimbo. Nanjye ndi hano nka rider Zoe Gisumizi, nka brand ambassador wa Golden Lion Wine. Ni ibyishimo, ni ishema guhagararira ikinyobwa bitiriye Intare. Ku ntare zose ziri hano turabasuje amahoro, kandi nizere yuko nk'intare iki kinyobwa muzakigira icyanyu, tukajya tugisangira, tukajya tugitaramanaho, tukajya tukiraho ikirori. Murakoze cyane.
Uyu mwanya rero tugiye gusangira, tugiye gufata ifunguro, ubundi turenzeho wine, dukomeze wine tasting, dukomeza no kumva umuziki mwiza kuri uyu mugoroba. Hagati aho rero ubwo protocol iraza kudufasha, Kigali protocol mudufashe kugira ngo abantu bose uko bari bagende bakurikirana baze kumenya uko babyitwaramo. We calling upon Kigali protocol to help us navigate everything this evening so that we have a beautiful show as we come to the end of it, as we're going to have dinner together on behalf of Golden Lion evening. Thank you.